What if everything we believed about safety, stability, and our future was just an illusion? What if the world we trust is quietly slipping toward chaos and no one is sounding the alarm loudly enough?
History is not just the past. It is the bridge to who we are today. Join us. Like, subscribe.
First, are we on the brink of a global war that could destroy life as we know it? The weapons have changed, but the stakes haven't. Conflicts now hide behind cyber attacks, proxy wars, and economic blockades. One wrong move could escalate beyond imagination, and history reminds us that humanity always notices too late. Second, is our money and our savings truly safe? Or is the global financial system teetering on the edge of collapse? Markets rise and fall overnight. Inflation, debt crises, and sudden market crash could wipe out decades of security. Who profits from this instability and who suffers silently? Third, who really controls the future of billions? Our governments, big corporations, or unseen networks of power? Decisions that shape entire nations are no longer made in parliaments alone. The true strings of power are pulled in shadows beyond our votes and beyond our influence. Fourth, is democracy a living reality, or has it become a fragile illusion? Rights, freedoms, and our institutions are weakening. Public trust is eroding, and authoritarian voices are growing louder. What happens when citizens stop believing their voice matters? History shows us silence is fertile ground for disaster. Fifth, are today's leaders preparing us for stability, or are they leading us straight into catastrophe? Strongmen promise safety, pride, and strength. But their unchecked decisions, impulsive threats, and divisive policies can push the world closer to collapse than anyone dares admit. Sixth, are global food, energy, and resources being manipulated for profit and control instead of serving humanity? Scarcity is no longer random. Water, fuel, and grain are now weapons in geopolitical games where the cost is always paid by ordinary people.
Truth is a lie. Obey the screen. War is peace.
Seventh, is the media a mirror of reality or a weapon used to reshape it? The truth is filtered, simplified, and sensationalized. Outrage spreads faster than understanding. Perception can now outweigh reality, and public fear becomes a powerful tool for control. Eighth, will future wars be fought over ideology or over resources, territory, and strategic advantage? National slogans inspire loyalty, but underneath them lie pipelines, mines, trade routes, and strategic territories. History reminds us the prize is rarely the banner, it's the leverage. Ninth, are superpowers quietly building new empires while the world sleeps in a false sense of security? Military bases, debt dependency, technological dominance. Modern empires no longer wear crowns. Their control is subtle, pervasive, and often invisible until it's too late.
Our collective innovation lights the path forward.
And finally, number 10, will humanity unite to face the crises ahead, or will we tear ourselves apart first? Climate collapse, pandemics, and cyber threats are global problems that require global solutions. Yet fear, mistrust, and division may destroy our chance before we even recognize it. The danger isn't just in these questions, the real danger is in ignoring them. Societies fail not when crises strike, but when they accept instability as normal, when they wait for someone else to act. The world doesn't need more easy answers. It needs the courage to ask the questions that matter and to confront them before it is too late. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. If this journey mattered, show your support. Like the video, subscribe to The Bridge, and stay connected.